Once a year, the General Assembly of the Fremo Club takes place. Usually, this happens together with a large meet that has several groups participating with large modular layouts. This year, the board decided to have more of a convention format, where many groups had smaller layouts presenting what the respective group is focusing on. The focus can be a specific era, a prototype location, or different modeling standards like fiNscale modeling. Among others, the N-Scale fiNscale group was present with a small layout showcasing engines and rolling stock with more true-to-scale wheelsets running on Code 40 track, like the complex and hand-built track at the split-belt factory module. The US HO and HON3 groups were present with layouts as well. There were also a number of presentations and clinics focusing on specific modeling techniques, electronic subjects or prototype information. The Fremo American group participated with a small layout that allowed running trains out of staging through a small yard into 2 industrial districts. The layout consisted out of a shortened version of the Centralia staging yard from where the route went to the long curve along the Wolf Creek Valley. After the Wolf Creek Bridge, the line led into Glacier Yard where it split into the branches to South Tacoma and Parker. Parker was connected to the diverging track, while the route to South Tacoma followed the main line out of Glacier. This setup allowed the operation of 3 local freights, one of them running from staging into and switching the industries at Glacier Yard. The other 2 trains would run from staging to either the South Tacoma Industrial District or the Parker Industrial District. Both of these locals would stop and drop off some cars at Glacier before moving on to their destinations. South Tacoma has its own runaround track, but the Parker turn needed to coordinate with a Glacier local in order to get on the correct side of the cars that needed to be delivered to the industries at Parker. After completing their jobs, all locals returned back to Centralia and a new session was staged. All of the engines used were equipped with sound and controlled by wireless throttles. Over the long weekend, guest operators from other groups came by and had fun operating the layout too.